Time value of money. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Know and Grow with Mubashir Jilani, where we break down money and investing for expats living in the GCC. Would you rather have 1000 Riyal today or same 1000 Riyal 1 year from now? Most people would say today. And that's exactly what the time value of money is all about. The time value of money simply means this. Money you have today is worth more than the same amount in the future. Why? Because you can invest it, grow it, and use it for opportunities right now. Let's say you have 10,000 dirhams or riyal. If you invest it and earn 10% in a year, it becomes 11,000 dirham. So waiting 1 year to receive 10,000 makes you miss that extra 1,000 in potential. Why it matters for the expats? As an expat in the GCC, you are working hard and earning in a tax-free environment. The earlier you start investing even small amounts, the more value your money can create over time. Delaying decisions or keeping cash idle means you're losing its true potential. This concept helps you make smarter choices like choosing between saving or investing, paying now or later, or even deciding on loans. Always ask yourself, what's the future value of this money if I act now? So remember, money has time power. Use it wisely. Start early and let your money grow while you work in the GCC. If that helped you understand the time value of money, hit like, share it with your fellow expats, and subscribe for more financial wisdom right here on Know and Grow. Take control of your time and your money. This is Mubashir Jilani helping you know and grow one money concept at a time.